Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to share something with you that I have not yet talked about. It's very, very exciting, and I encourage you to watch this video through to the end because if you have a work from home business, you're an independent consultant, you will want to pay very close attention to this video because not only am I going to show you how to make money with simple commissions and Mailbot, but I'm also going to talk about the new master level upgrade and how you can actually make double your profits, as well as being able to drive traffic, generate leads, and make sales consistently for whatever home business opportunity that you're currently involved in. So if that sounds like a good deal, stay plugged into this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So I've been promoting Mailbot for a little while. It has not been around for that long. I think maybe I don't even think it's been 4 months yet. I think it's been like 3 months. But here's the thing, once in a while I get people that'll ask me, are you still doing that Mailbot thing? Hell yeah, I don't jump around. So the first thing that I ask myself whenever I look at a business, and this is just a very, very good tip for you, I will ask myself, if there was no affiliate attachment to this deal, if there was no way for me to make money from promoting it, would I use it? And the answer is absolutely. And in a minute, you're going to understand why. So, I took a screenshot. I don't know when it is you're watching this video, but this is today. I took a screenshot, right? And here's my name, right? I'm at the master level, which I'm going to talk about with you now. And this individual joined. I received a $100 instant commission at the basic level, right? And then they decided to upgrade. So this person upgraded today. I earned an additional $200, right? I doubled my income there from the upgrade. And then guess what? This person went ahead and started promoting this deal, and they already ended up with 2 sales totaling $200 in commission. So yes, this absolutely does work. Now, in a minute, I'm going to explain to you, if you're not familiar with it, exactly what Mailbot and simple commissions can do for you in your business. But one of the things that it can do is it can automatically, using Mailbot's AI email assistant, it can automatically promote your opportunities, create content, literally everything that you can imagine. So I just wanted to share with you, this was a lead that came in, right? I promote Mailbot, and Mailbot promotes my opportunities on the back end. So this individual's personal information is obviously not being shared. It's blocked out. But look, hey Troy, good news, your lead. Just click to check out cardly.me. Lead email, right? Again, I'm not sharing that. And then timestamp, right? So I get a lot of these emails every single day from my Mailbot letting me know, hey, somebody that subscribed to your Mailbot email address is checking out one of your opportunities. So you get this email from your Mailbot when you join. Anyone that joins Mailbot has the ability to earn unlimited $100 commissions, right? But look at this. The system is telling you you're currently earning $100 commissions on level 1, right? That's the basic starter level. But without the master upgrade, you're missing out on $200 per upgrade from your leads and your team. Every time you lose a commission, Mailbot will notify you. Upgrade for just $400, right? Now that's a split $200 commission to 2 different people, and I'm going to explain that in a minute, plus the $199 yearly admin fee, right? So literally you can upgrade and end up being paid double the commission. So how does this work? $200 commissions on 2 levels. Here's what that means. Let's say you were already at the Mailbot Master level and I joined you in Simple Commissions Mailbot. So you would have made $100 from me because I joined and I have the product. And then once I see that I can upgrade and double my profits when I upgrade, you're going to make a $200 commission instantly. And then your sponsor earns a $200 commission as well. So basically that is passive money. That is free money that you're able to get paid without doing any of the work. And to be honest, you know, I've done very, very well. You know, I've made well over $1,000 in the little bit of time that I've been promoting Mailbot at the master level, not on my own efforts, but over $1,000 I've earned, probably around $1,400 total that I've earned from people in my downline that are Mailbot master members. So they did the work, I ended up getting paid. You also have the ability to fully customize your follow-up email. So if you have an email that you want to create, have your Mailbot send it out. You could do that at the master level. AI written broadcasts to team and leads, live stats and earning reports, exclusive tools and white label features coming very soon. So what do? When you join at the basic level, all you need to do is send your Mailbot an email, and in the subject line, you're just going to put, I want to upgrade, and then you're going to hit the send button. But let's spend another quick 2 minutes talking about Mailbot and Simple Commissions. Now, if you remember, one of the things that I said that I look for whenever I'm looking to possibly join a new opportunity, I want to know, hey, if I can't make a dime from this, just using it as a customer, would I still buy it? And the answer is yes. Why? It's because most people in our industry are not good with email marketing, right? Let's be honest. Most people build a list. They get a very, very low open rate, probably around 4%, 3.5%, 5%. Less than that, when people do click open their emails and they read these emails, you know, I mean, not everybody is a wordsmith, right? Not everybody is trained on effective email marketing strategies. So a less number of people will actually read your full email that you created, right? And even fewer will actually click on your network marketing, affiliate marketing, or direct selling link. So here's what Simple Commissions, which is the company, and Mailbot, which is the product, can do for you. This AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers, automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. Look, the conversions that I have been getting from Mailbot are higher than anything that I've been doing online, right? When you get access to this page, you're going to watch this quick 3.5-minute video, and you're going to scroll down, and you want to get a free demo so that you could see how Mailbot works. Now, income disclaimer, there are no guarantees of earnings. Like any business, your earnings are based on your own personal efforts and your activity. But what I want you to do right now, and again, if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. But here's what I want you to do. If you're getting this video as a result of watching it on YouTube, go to the description right now. Click on the description and you're going to see how you can get your very own free demo and see how Mailbot works. Ask it questions, interact with it. Look, this is not only a moneymaker, but it is a complete time saver. If you're getting this video as a result of an email that you received, go back to that email right now, scroll to the very bottom, and click the link. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.